Hi, today I'm going to talk about how to use the TopGrip well. It works amazing. It'll keep your topper on, either reducing the amount of clips or eliminating the amount of clips that you need in order for your topper to stay on securely. But please watch this video to make sure that you're putting it on properly so that you'll get maximum benefit from it. Here I have our smaller size TopGrip, which we say fits up to 5x6 and smaller. It could go a little bit larger than that. You can actually see and test it. We do have a larger one for a larger size topper. I'm going to demonstrate for you on how this topper works on our 5x6. It does not have to only work with a Milano topper. It can work with all different toppers. Just follow these steps and you'll see exactly how it works and how you can benefit from it. Here I have, and this is our Emerald. It's a 5x6 French top or skin top topper. And I'm going to show you how to use it where you don't need these clips or combs. The first thing you're going to do is take the TopGrip, and you want to make sure the size is correct because it does need to fit snugly around your head. It shouldn't give you a headache where it's too tight, but it should fit snugly so that it gives you that security of it wrapping around the circumference of your head. What you're going to do is put it around your head first, then we're going to take it off and put it on the topper. What you do is take your hair and put it in a ponytail. The reason for putting it in a ponytail is you want to get this strap underneath it, and sometimes the hair can fly all over and it can be a little bit distracting when you have your hair not in a ponytail. So just take it and you just put it in a loose ponytail like this. Now on the TopGrip you do have an adjustable strap, which is this. Now you have the doubled over side, which if you pull on it and create double over the invisible strap, it will be tighter. If you want to make it looser, you pull on it and you leave it single, not double. So what I'm going to do is just pull on it a little bit just to see if I can make it a little bit tighter. There you go. Now the TopGrip has a little sticker on it that says bottom. Bottom means that that's supposed to be sitting on your hair. So what I'm going to do, and the ribbon in the front is the front of the topper. So I'm going to place it on my head and wrap it around, stick the ponytail on top of the adjustable strap, and you kind of get a sense, is it tight? If it's not tight, you do want to tighten that strap and replicate this process. But as long as it's tight and snug, it'll keep your topper on really nice and securely. I see now it fits really nice and snug, so now I'm going to put it onto the topper and then put the topper on my head. I'm going to remove the TopGrip now. Now that the size is correct, I'm going to take the 5x6 skin top topper. Now I have clips and combs. I have clips on this topper. If your clips don't match up, there's two things that you can do. You can either move your clips to match up to the ribbon on the TopGrip, or what you can do is move the ribbon on the TopGrip to match your clips. Either one is good. What I am going to do is attach the top of the clip that is in the front through the ribbon and clip it, secure it closed. I'm going to take the clips on the side and put it through the ribbon and then close the clips. Right now it is securing the TopGrip to the topper. Now it is secure onto the topper. These clips that were meant for your hair, that pull on your hair, do not need to go in your hair anymore. It is securing the TopGrip to the topper so that it'll be snug on your head. The last step you want to do is put the topper on your head. So I'm going to place it where I normally wear it. Then I'm going to take that adjustable elastic and pull it underneath my ponytail, just like this. Once it is secure underneath your ponytail, you can take the ponytail and just release, just like that. And then what you're going to do is, if it needs to go a little further back, you can push it a little further back and just blend your bio hair with the topper or however else you would style your topper. Now, if you feel like you want a little more security, what you can do is take the comb or the clip in the back, unsnap the clip, and just snap it in. Or you can just leave it the way it is. Either way, it keeps that topper secure on your head without having the pulling or the tension. A lot of times we get, clients get irritation from the clips because it happens to be in the same spot where they're experiencing the hair loss. This allows you to wear the topper without having to clip it in all those different areas. It really depends on how you feel. If you feel like you want a little more security, you can have some clips, but it will definitely reduce the amount of clips that you feel you need on your head in order for your topper to be secure. So what we say is it either eliminates or reduces. It really is a personal preference whether you want to use some clips or no clips. Either way, it looks great. You can move around and it's not going anywhere.
Yep, it's snug.